The mirror verbs. Among the irregular verbs, there's a group that I call the mirror verbs because they are easily associated with the mirror. Yeah, and I associate them with the mirror for the following reason. Take a look at schreiben. If I took a mirror and hold that mirror after the I, the EI gets mirrored into IE. And this is the way they change in both past forms. Schreiben turns into schrieb and geschrieben. The same applies to bleiben, to stay, to remain. Bleiben turns into blieb, geblieben. And this is a really neat way to learn these. You have to use the mirror, you have to associate them with the mirror, because unfortunately there's also a few regular verbs with EI. Yeah? So you cannot blindly simply turn every verb with EI around. For example, reisen. Yeah? The mirror doesn't do anything. The mirror doesn't apply to traveling. No mirrors while traveling. Yeah? Reiste, gereist. So that doesn't apply. So be careful to really associate every single of these mirror verbs. There's a little specialty with a few verbs. For example, leiden, to suffer. I hold the mirror, but it doesn't mirror everything. I get lit, gelitten. And you see what happened here? The E is dropped, while the following consonant is doubled. And also D turned into a D, which is quite often the case. There's no double D in German. So if I need to double the D, I have to change this into a T. And that might be the cause, the reason. Another example, it's not only the D or the T. Reißen, to tear something apart. Reißen turns into riss, gerissen. So the E is dropped and the S is doubled, or the SZ is turned into a double S. Those changes you get familiar with quickly. Just that you're aware of these, it's almost 50-50, and you learn that from listening. It's mainly an auditive difference between the real mirror verbs and the weaker mirror verbs. You learn them with the app and they shouldn't cause much trouble to you. Thank you.